My name is Dr Morne Mostert. I'm the Director of the Institute for Futures Research at Stellenbosch University. Today I'll talk to you just very briefly about why consider futures. One of the ways we think about it is to consider the temporal development. In other words, how does the time frame move, and what does that mean for the way that senior people in large organizations make significant decisions? One way to think about it is like this. We all understand that there's a past, there's a present, and there's a future. Now, of course the past is important, it's where we all come from. Of course the present is important, it's where we all live. But what about the future? Well, think about it like this. Most of us will make decisions in the present. We will base those decisions on the past. So already we can detect a conflict in the time frame in which this is happening, because we're making a decision in one era based on occurrences and data from a different era. But here's the real kicker, here's the real significant insight. We're making that decision in the present, often based on data from the past, but we are making that decision for the future. Now that must strike even the most emotive and affectively intelligent person as a little bit odd. Making decisions in the present based on the past for the future. We're going to an era we have never visited. We're making the decisions for that time. We're doing that today, but we're basing it on the past. For that reason, at the Institute for Futures Research, we encourage what we refer to as a futures-based approach. If the future is the only possible place you are going, decisions need to be made not only for the future, but indeed based on the future. Of course we can't predict the future. Of course more than one option is always possible. But what we do is to help clients to think about not only what is possible, but indeed what is probable, so that decisions can be made for the most probable future. What we often describe as a set of explorative futures. In other words, what's possible. Then we help senior people to say, okay, here we are today. What is our normative future within that set of explorative futures? In other words, what is it that we want from the future? And how do we increase the probability of getting that? So, the science of the future really is moving to a place where we're making decisions not only for the future, certainly not exclusively based on the past, but indeed based on the future. In this way, we increase the likelihood of creating the future that we want. Join us for many of our other programs, commissioned research, short programs, and a number of our publications as we explore how senior people can make better decisions based on probable futures.